We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Organic chemistry of third semester. So what are the esters? Esters are compounds made from alcohols and carboxylic acids. An ester can be recognized from its name. The first part of the name comes from the alcohol, and the second part is from carboxylic acid. So ethyl ethanoate is made from alcohol ethanol and carboxylic acid ethanoic acid. Notice that in the name, alcohol part is named first and the carboxylic name second. Making of esters. Esters are made by condensation reactions between the carboxylic acid and alcohols in which a molecule of water is eliminated. The hydroxyl group of the alcohol reacts with the carboxylic group of the carboxylic acid to eliminate the elements of water. This results in the formation of ester link COO between the two molecules. The making of ester is called esterification reaction. So here is the diagrammatic representation of how the chemicals and different glassware or the reaction vessel is used during the preparation of ester. So ester are made by warming the carboxylic acid and alcohol in a test tube containing a few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid and heated by a water bath for about 10 minutes. This prevents the reaction mixture catching fire. However, to prevent the reactants and products being lost during heating, a wet paper towel is wrapped around the upper part of the test tube. This causes volatile reagents to condense and run back into the test tube in a mixture in a technique called refluxing. So that's the refluxing technique. We have to attach a wet paper towel held on the elastic band so that the condensation will take place and the volume will be maintained in the reaction tube. This is a reaction how the ester link is formed between the methanoic acid and propane 1-ol to make a final ester that is propyl methanoate with the elimination of one motor molecule. Types of triesters in that 3 carboxylic acids reacts with triol and 3 acids group not all alike often found in natural oils or fats. So what is the facts regarding fat? They are the natural oils and fats are mixtures of triesters can be split by hydrolysis heat with concentrated sodium hydroxide. So in the presence of sodium hydroxide, the triester will react with it to form the glycerol and sodium salt of acid. This is the basis of soap manufacturing. An example is palmolive. So conversion of sodium salts to free acids by adding dilute HCl or other mineral acids. Fats and fatty acids. They are the unbranched hydrocarbon chains. They are often called as fatty acids occur in fats. Fully unsaturated 3 or 4 double bonds, still known by old names, systemic names too long, thought to cause blockage of blood vessels and heart disease, and especially the saturated ones. So uses of esters. Many esters are found in fruits and are used in flavoring foods. They are also used in fragrances because of their distinct smell. Esters are used as solvents. They are non-polar solvents and are able to dissolve many materials that water, a polar solvent, cannot dissolve. Esters are used as solvent for dyes, glues, inks, as in permanent marker and whiteboard markers, nail varnish removers, and car sprays, paints, and varnishes. Hydrolysis of esters. When an ester is added to water or heated with water, it begins to break down into carboxylic acid and alcohol. This breaking down reactions with water is called hydrolysis, and it is the exact opposite of condensation. The reactions by be speeded up by uh, hydrogen ions or hydroxyl ions. If an alkali is used, this further helps by reacting with carboxylic formed in the hydrolysis and removing the carboxylic from the reaction. This prevents the joining of alcohol with the carboxylic acid to remake the ester. So natural fats and oils can be classified according to their origin as animal, vegetable, or marine. According to the source, they are obtained from. From the animal fat, we have the beef fat, pork fat, sheep fat, and butter fat. For the vegetables ones, we have the sunflower oil, olive oil, linseed oil, and palm oil. For the marine one, that cod liver oil, tuna fish oil, whale oil, and Habiford liver oil. So fats and oils in the diet. So in the diet, supply the body with energy and are a more concentrated source of energy than carbohydrate. For example, bread flour, mostly carbohydrate. Fats and oils are essential for the transport and storage of fat. Soluble vitamins inside the body. Vitamins are divided into two groups: water soluble, that is B and C, and fat soluble, that is A, D, K. Structure of fats and oil. This is a illustration of how the reaction is taking place between the fatty acids and glycerol to produce a fat and oil. So they are generally the triesters, and with the elimination of water molecule, and they are the glycerol is a trihydric alcohol, and the fatty acids are the carboxylic acids. So the reaction is illustrated over here. That how the fat and oil is formed between the reactions. Structure of fatty acids. Uh, Fatty acids are saturated and unsaturated straight chain carboxylic acids containing even numbers of carbon atoms ranging from C4 to C24, primarily C60 to C18. These are the example for the degree of unsaturation in fats and oil. When an oil is shaken with bromine water, the brown color of bromine is lost rapidly. This indicates the presence of double bond in the oil molecule. This is a marking test for unsaturation. If a fat is dissolved in an organic solvent such as hexane and then shaken with bromine water, no decoloration occurs with some fats and only slight or slow discoloration with the This indicates that the fats may contain no double bonds or fewer double bonds than oils. This is again indication of that. Melting points. This is a physical property of the fats and oil. The lower melting point of the oils compared to those of fats is related to the higher saturation of the oil molecules. The presence of double bonds in oil molecules causes the long chains of the atoms to become distorted. This stops the oil molecules packing as closely together as more saturated fat molecules can. So this is a close packing of the fat molecules. There is a poor packing of the oil molecules because of the unsaturations. There is a poor packing of oil molecules. The poor packing means less London dispersion forces can form between the oil molecules than the fat molecules. Less heat energy is required to separate oil molecules, and oils have lower melting point than fats. This is an example of saturated triglyceride, and fatty acids present in mixtures affect the properties. Saturated triglycerides pack closely together. Attractive forces are higher for the melting point. Liquid means unsaturated triglyceride, and they cannot pack closely together because of the C's double bond and causes the kicks. So intermolecular forces are weaker and less energy needed to separate molecules, and they have the lower melting point. Converting oil to fat. This is a reaction, and most natural oils need processing to make them fit to use. So hydrogenation of unsaturated oils to make the mar- margarine. So control hydrogenations make the oils more solid. They are using the hydrogens through heated oil in the presence of nickel catalyst and add flavoring, salt, vitamins, etc. Thank you. This is the process. This is the end of the lecture. Thank you.